Hi, this is Natasha Singha from Asia Securities with the market summary for the day. The market showed remarkable positiveness during today's trading, fueled by foreign investors and institutional buying. Today's turnaround underscored the unpredictability of the market. However, trading during the day gave investors a much-needed positive boost, but the sustainability of it would be a question only time could answer. The benchmark index gained 86 points to close at 5,507 points, while the more liquid Lanka price index gained 1.49% to close at 4,803 points. The total turnover for the day was a staggering 3.7 billion rupees. Huge off-the-market deals were seen on LB Finance, Haley's and Aitken Spence & Company, which amounted to about 65% of the market turnover. LB Finance saw two blocks totaling 4.1 million shares change hands at 150 rupees. The counter closed almost flat at 145 rupees and 70 cents. Haley's also witnessed 1.6 million shares change hands at 380 rupees, while conglomerate Aitken Spence saw 10 blocks totaling 4.2 million shares change hands at 115 rupees. Market heavyweight John Keel's Holdings also witnessed aggressive accumulation from high net worths as the counter contributed healthy amounts towards the day's turnover. The counter closed at 177 rupees 20 cents, gaining 1.9% for the day. Renewed interest was seen on Colombo Fort Land and Building after a few blocks changed hands between 36 and 37 rupees. The counter gained an impressive 12% to close at 40 rupees and 60 cents. Heavy retail play continued on environmental resources as the counter traded attractive volumes during the day. Environmental resources closed at 22 rupees 20 cents, gaining marginally after reaching an intraday high of 23 rupees and 40 cents. Touchwood also dragged retail interest during the day, which helped the counter gain an impressive 8% to close at 18 rupees and 40 cents. Volumes were topped by Asia Asset Finance, Amana Takaful and Mueller & Phipps, while Udapusalawa Plantations emerged as the stock gainer on thin trade. Moving on to some business news for today. In the context of revised fuel and electricity prices in the local market, all government institutions should limit their consumption of fuel and electricity as a priority, says the Ministry of Finance and Planning. The Ministry emphasized that this is a national responsibility entrusted on all government institutions. Ceylon Development PLC announced that Mr. S. Paliyavadana has been appointed as a new Deputy Chairman of the company with effect from 17 February. He was previously a director of the company. Sri Lanka's Capital Development and Investment Company PLC, a firm coming under NDB Bank Group, have appointed Asoka Pathirage as its chairman and C. Vajira Kulatilaka as its director and chief executive officer. The appointments are made with effect from 22nd February 2012. The two appointments come as CDIC is making arrangements to buy the shares held by NDB in two of its wholly owned subsidiaries, namely NDB Investment Bank Limited and NDB Stockbrokers Private Limited. Asia Capital PLC, one of the pioneering investment banks in Sri Lanka, in a filing to the stock exchange said that it had purchased 100% ownership of Lanka Fortune Residencies Private Limited through Asia Investments 3 Private Limited, a fully owned subsidiary of Asia Capital. The filing said that 11,266,129 shares of Lanka Fortune Residencies Private Limited were purchased at a consideration of 180 million rupees. Brent crude oil rose another 9-month high above $123 a barrel late Wednesday morning as Brent crude oil rose to a 9-month high above $123 a barrel late Wednesday morning as supportive Iran-related tensions and supply worries outmatched weak economic data in Europe and China that cast doubt on the global growth outlook. That's it for business news today. Thank you.